Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is articles. I think article are taught you few months ago, but you think this chapter is in your book, and many PDFs related to this topic you were provided in summer vacation also, in month of April and May. But you can understand this is your revision class. You should try to note down few lines in your notebook. So the adjectives a, an, and the are commonly called articles. They are demonstrative adjectives. Articles are two types. Okay, means here we can say that adjectives a, an, and the are commonly called articles, and they are demonstrative adjectives. Means demonstrative adjectives a, an, and the are also called articles. Articles are two types: definite articles and indefinite articles. These points you should note down in your copy. So definite articles, only the, it points to some particular person or thing. Suppose a person asks a question to you, what is definite articles? So only the is definite article. Okay, and the pronunciation of th is two types, the and the. So you can say that the is a definite article. Next is indefinite article a and an. They don't refer to any particular person or thing. Okay, so the definite article the. Definite article the is used before a noun when one is referring to someone or something. Already mentioned, she has bought a car. The car is very expensive. Okay, so this is the definite article. Okay, before a noun which it is known to the reader or hearer. The children were in the park. Okay, means we are learning definite article, and few examples are here with the rules. First is before a noun when one is referring to someone or something, already mentioned. She has bought a car. The car is very expensive. Second, before a noun which it is known to the reader or hearer, with a noun and qualifiers such as prepositional phrase, relative. Okay, so here these are some rules for definite articles. And one, when you want to use definite articles, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Next is 15, and next is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. These are the use of definite articles. Okay, next thing, omission of the definite articles. The definite articles that is not used before proper noun. Before proper noun we can't use definite article. Before the names of language used as a nouns. An expression for means of travel, by bus, by train, by air. Before names of games as she plays chess, he plays cricket. Before abstract nouns. Before plural nouns used for a whole class as markets open at 10 am. Cars have become a necessity. Before a common noun used in its widest sense. Man is a social being. Poets love humanity. Before uncountable nouns be the general meaning. Glass is produced from sand. Before the names of males. Okay. Article an is used. Indefinite article an is used before a singular noun which is countable, as she has a house, she needs a map. When a singular noun is mentioned for the first time, as they need an office. I saw a man in the street. The original sense of a meaning one. A stitch in time saves mine. So the definite articles a and before a singular noun which is countable. When a singular noun is mentioned for the first time. Okay, these are indefinite articles a and an. A is used before singular numbers with consonant sound. An is used before vowel, before letter with a vowel and sound. Omission of. Okay, a and an. Repetition of articles. Okay guys, so your today's topic is completed. Okay, this chapter is completed, chapter articles, and few lines you should note down in your copy.